My dear students, our topic is isomerism. As you know, the word isomerism is coined or derived from two words. First, iso and second is meras. Ism is known as concept. In this way, we can say that when same part means when same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which differ in their physical and chemical properties. The physical and chemical properties are due to different arrangement of atoms. Such compounds are known as isomers, and the whole phenomenon are known as isomerism. For example, same molecular formula C2H6O represents two compounds C2H5OH and CH3O. One is ethyl alcohol and second is dimethyl. In this way, we can say that same molecular formula represents two compounds which differ in their properties. The whole isomerism can be classified broadly into chiefly two categories. First category is structural isomerism and second category is stereoisomerism. A minute difference in between structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. When same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which differ in arrangement of atoms within the molecule. Such isomers are known as structural isomers and whole phenomenon are known as structural isomers. In the same way, stereoisomerism, same molecular formula represent two or more compounds which differ in arrangement of atoms in three-dimensional space. In three-dimensional space are called stereoisomers. Whole phenomenon are known as stereoisomers. In simply, structural isomerism are also known as constitutional isomerism. The structural isomerism can be classified into 5 categories. These 5 categories are: first, chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, and tautomerism. In simple way, definition is same molecular formula represent two or more compounds which differ in nature of chain, which differ in nature of carbon chain. That is, one is straight chain and other is branch chain. For example के लिए C4H10, it can be represented by simply in this way, and it can also represent in this way. That is called normal butane, and that is known as isobutane. In the same way, when it is pentane, one carbon extended, and then it is known as normal pentane, and this is known as neopentane. In the same way, position isomerism can be defined as same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which differ in position of substituent, functional group. Single bond, double bond and triple bond are also categorized under functional group. For example, जितने भी एग्जाम्पल हो इन चार्ट के द्वारा भी हम एक एक को आपको डिराइव करके बताएंगे. In the same way, when same molecular formula represents two or more compounds differ in nature of functional group are known as functional isomers. Whole phenomenon are known as functional isomers. In the same way, metamerism, when same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which differ in nature of attachment of alkyl group with same function, are known as metamers. Whole phenomenon are known as tautomerism. It is a special kind of isomerism which exists by interconversion of hydrogen and bond. It is also known as keto-enol isomerism. Keto-enol isomers. In the same way, stereoisomerism can be classified in two categories: configurational isomerism and conformational isomerism. And configurational isomerism divided into two classes: symmetrical isomerism and optical isomerism. This is in short brief summary of isomerism. Now we can explain position, functional and metamerism by with the suitable examples. First, position isomerism. Position isomerism differs in nature of bond, substituents, oblique functional group.
Yes.
For example, beauty C4H8. Same molecular formula represent CH3CH2 CH3 CH. One known as but, one in but. Such compounds are differ by position of double bond. For example, pentanol C5H11OH. In short, C5H12O. C5H12O. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more. CH2OH. That is pentanol. In the same way, if CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2 CH3 pentanol 2 position are changed, functional position of functional group are changed. In the same way, CH3 CH2 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 CH3 1 2 3 4 5 5 C5 3 2 5 7 9 H12, that is normal pentene. In the same way, CH3 CH CH3 CH2 1 2 3 4, that is 2-methyl propane or isopentene. In this situation, position of substituent that is methyl group. In the same way, we can understood about position isomerism with the example butene, which represent position of bond, pentanol, which represent position of alcohol, pentane, which represents position of substituent. In the same way, you can understand functional isomerism. Functional isomerism, which are differ by nature of functional group. As you know before, the example C2H6O. C2H6O represents CH3 CH2OH. केवल एक्सचेंज देखिए, CH2 को इधर ले CH3O सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल बदल लीजिए, C3H6O C3H6O CH3 CH2 count C3H6O, that represents aldehyde, functional group differ. Exchange CH2 in place of H. CH3 C double bond O, that is ketone. That is ketone. In the same way, you can H6O2 O2, same CH3 CH2 C double bond O OH, that is carboxylic. Trick is CH2 is placed. CH3 CH3 count that 1 2 3 3 3 6 4 2, that is ester. This is carboxylic ester. A lot of examples are found under functional isomerism. For example, NC or C2H3N, C2H3N, CH3Cl, CH3NC. Molecular formula same, represents two compounds. One is known as methyl cyanide, other is known as methyl isocyanide. In the same way, same molecular formula, nitroethane, ethyl nitrite. One is nitro, other is nitrite. A number of examples of functional isomerism can be found. Next, metamerism. Metamerism, which arises due to different arrangement of alkyl group with same functional group. In simple way, you can understand with example. There are two alkyl groups which may be same, which may be different. For example, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Only exchange place of CH2. Only exchange place of CH2. CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Molecular formula are same, that is C4H10O. C4H10O. First one is called diethyl ether. Second one is known as methyl propyl ether. You can understand metamerism with this formula. The examples are same, only exchange functional group, like as exchange कर दीजिए functional group. A number of examples of metamerism are also found. And last, tautomerism. Which is a special kind of isomerism, which are arises due to interconversion. The interconversion in between bond and hydrogen atom. Like as CH3, CH2CO, CH3. Exchange in between H and double bond. This double bond is converted here and one hydrogen. One hydrogen is converted here. That is the keto form. And next, CH3, CH, double bond, COH, CH3. That is the keto form. And next is enol form. The Enal is derived from E all. E represents double bond. All represents OH. You can see that it is all. One form is known as keto form and other is known as enol form. In short, the topic isomerism can be better understood by this method.